How to make any woman genuinely miss you, even if she seems uninterested at first. As Bruce Lee once said, the key to immortality is first living a life worth remembering. This profound statement highlights the essence of leaving a lasting impression, exactly what we'll be discussing today. I will reveal 5 powerful secrets that will make any woman genuinely miss you. To make a woman truly long for you, you must offer something unique, something she can't find anywhere else. Whether you're in a relationship or just starting to connect, these tips will ensure you leave an unforgettable mark. Listen carefully, my friend. Here's a hard truth. Women are naturally drawn to those who evade them. They are attracted to the chase, and the reverse is also true. The more you chase, the less interested they become. Stop sharing every detail of your day with her. Stop being constantly available for pointless chats. Put your phone down and create some distance. As Marcus Aurelius wisely said, the more we value things outside our control, the less control we have. By not constantly contacting her and giving her space, you allow her mind to wander and her curiosity to grow. She will begin to wonder what you're up to, and in her imagination, you will become more intriguing. Imagine her thinking about you, wondering why she hasn't heard from you. This absence may even make her consider the possibility that you're spending time with other women, which can trigger jealousy and increase her interest in you. By stepping back, you communicate that you are independent and don't rely on her for happiness. This self-sufficiency is attractive. It shows that you are complete on your own. If you're always available and she feels she has full control over you, her attraction will inevitably fade. These principles align with the key lessons of Stoic philosophy: maintaining independence and not placing your happiness in the hands of others. The effectiveness of the no-contact rule lies in its ability to simulate a form of rejection. When a woman sees that you can thrive without her, she realizes you are a choice, not a necessity in your life. Paradoxically, this realization makes her want you more because it activates a psychological response linked to desire and reward. As Epictetus wisely put it, it's not what happens to you, but how you react to it that matters. By stepping back, you awaken feelings of longing and appreciation within her. If you want a woman to miss you intensely, even if she seems uninterested, adopting a Stoic mindset is essential. When a woman hasn't heard from you, she may set indirect traps to grab your attention. This classic trick is now more obvious through social media, where she might post stunning pictures or share vague, indirect messages designed to get a reaction from you. These posts are meant specifically for you, to show that she's having a great time without you, even if that's not true. This is where your Stoic discipline comes into play. Don't engage. Do not like her pictures or comment on her posts. By ignoring her attempts for validation, you maintain control and demonstrate the strength of a true Stoic. As Marcus Aurelius once said, the best revenge is to be unlike the one who injured you. By not reacting, you avoid playing her game, making her feel unsettled and uncertain about her actions. Imagine her checking her phone, waiting for your response. When she sees nothing from you, it unsettles her and makes her wonder why. This silence creates a powerful psychological effect, making her crave your attention even more. This isn't about manipulation, it's about self-discipline and control, core Stoic virtues. By focusing on your growth and personal interests, you naturally become more attractive because you're not dependent on external validation. When a woman starts missing you, she will become curious about what you're doing. If she discovers something exciting, she will feel compelled to reconnect. On the other hand, if you appear desperate or dull, she will pull away. Here's where strategy comes in. When a woman misses you, the first place she will likely check is your social media. If she logs in and sees few or no updates from you, she will assume you're not doing much. People tend to believe that if you don't post anything, nothing is happening in your life. However, to succeed with women, you must use this to your advantage by appearing as an interesting, active person. Post about your successes and fun moments. Avoid sharing problems or mundane details. Even if you don't have major victories to celebrate, sharing aspects of your enjoyable life shows that you're thriving and having fun. This reminds her of what she's missing. Women love being part of a man's exciting journey, as it makes them feel connected to his story. Have you ever wondered how to make a woman miss you deeply, even if she initially seemed uninterested? One effective way is by sparking jealousy. When a woman feels jealous, she often tries harder to win your time and attention, fearing someone else might replace her. This doesn't mean you have to date someone else or openly flirt. It can be as simple as posting a picture with friends where another woman is standing close to you. The closer she appears in the photo, the stronger the effect. Tagging her in the picture will make your woman of interest notice and possibly check her profile out of curiosity. Even if this woman is just a friend, the ambiguity will ignite her imagination and make her picture potential scenarios where you might be involved with someone else. This subtle competition can make her desire you more. As Epictetus said, "It's not what happens to you, but how you respond to it that matters." By presenting yourself as a desirable man with options, you are not manipulating her. You are simply allowing your value to become clear. When you talk or spend time with a woman, you must be engaging and participate in activities you both enjoy. Adding a touch of humor and creating memorable moments through inside jokes or unique nicknames can leave a lasting impact. This isn't just a trick. It's a method rooted in associative memory, which triggers affectionate thoughts even when you're not around. For example, you might link her to a character from her favorite TV show and joke about it. Each time she watches that show, she'll think of you. Another approach is to give her a unique, personal nickname that resonates with her but is common enough to hear often. For instance, if she loves sunny days, you might call her Sunbeam. Every time she hears Sunbeam, whether in a song or a random conversation, she will think of you and the fun times you shared. This method aligns with Stoic happiness, reinforcing positive memories without over-exaggeration. By embodying Stoic principles such as self-discipline, independence, and emotional resilience, you naturally become more attractive, not just to women, but in all aspects of life. Now, I'd love to hear from you. Have you tried these principles? What challenges have you faced? Share your thoughts in the comments.